We are going to paint marigold using watercolor stippling technique. This painting doesn't need any sketch. The overall idea of this painting is to make some marks with the brush so that it forms a round shape, but not a perfect round shape. Okay, I applied 3 layers of colors. First, I used lemon yellow mixed with orange to paint the first layer of marigold flower. Just look at the direction of my brush strokes to paint this marigold. I finished first layer by using lemon yellow mixed with orange. Next, I'm using orange to paint the second layer when the first layer is still wet. Now for the third layer, I'm using light red to paint the right side of the marigold flower. I have assumed that the sun is on the left side, so the flower is yellowish in color on the left side and it is dark on the right side. That is the reason I'm using light red as the third layer for the right side of the flower. Next, I mixed sap green with little amount of light red to paint the stem. The flower is still wet. I'm adding some more strokes of light red color on the right side. I added more and more light red color on the right side of the flower. I forgot to record this portion, so that portion is not in the video. If you don't have light red in your palette, it is just a mix of red color with equal amount of burnt sienna. We made a marigold flower using stippling technique, which is very simple and easy to paint. Hope you enjoyed this painting. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in another painting video. Until then, take care, and this is Prema signing off. Bye bye.